2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede, coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play Aint.no.mountain.high by Marvin.Gsye and Tammy. Okay, so we're in standard tuning, and we got some pretty hard chords, actually. So let's get with it. We got an A over B minor. So that's first finger, second finger, third finger, and then you put an A in the bass. And then you want to keep this B minor and play an A flat in the bass. So that's 4 on the E string. And then you want to keep this shape and play G in the bass. So it's a lot of switching fingers. So and then it goes. Basically just grab an E power chord. E power chord, F sharp, G, A flat. And then we have the chorus, G major, E minor, F sharp, B minor. Oh, sorry. 2, 3, 4. G, E, F sharp, B, E. And then it ends with E7. First finger, second finger to G. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Doing some picking. That sounds good. Bridge. That's G with A in the bass. So grab 5th fret, E string, and then 1, 2, 3. There's the G, but we need to do that. F sharp. The key there. I'm not going to worry about going over the chords for the key change. Let's just stay in this A. Awesome. So you can either strum these chords, or you can pick it like I'm doing. Very cool chords. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. I hope this lesson helped you to figure this song out. I'll be back tomorrow. Stay safe.